the sales part of this company, and my job is to connect the networkers and sellers and investors around the world so that the company can grow and achieve its objectives. So this is the brief background of the company. It's very easy for you to. It's a world of technology. You can simply Google and find more about these people from the Google. Now we'll talk briefly about the blockchain. What blockchain is all about? Blockchain is not a rocket science. It's a simple digital ledger which is used to store data actually. So it means that the reason for blockchain getting more famous is that the data stored once on the blockchain is very secure, and it is unchangeable, and at the same time it is very transparent. So that's why it is becoming more popular around the world. Most of the companies, as I said, they are focusing on the virtual world. They talk about NFTs, cryptocurrency. They talk more about gaming and metaverse. I'm not saying that we'll not be doing anything on the virtual part, but our main forte, our main focus will remain on the virtual world. So it means that our main area of business, main focus, or main target market is the real world. Now we'll talk about what are the areas in the real world which we will be focusing. The target market is like vehicle life cycle management. This is a huge data around the world, and governments are working on this, shifting their data to the blockchain, as the UAE government has already started doing it. Then we have a huge market of fake product identification, because more than $500 billion fake product being sold in the world. Like if we talk about the brands like Gucci or maybe a Rolex or Rado. So if these brands are on the blockchain, then no one will be able to copy them, or rather no one will be able to sell their copy products. Same is the case with government services. There are so many departments which need blockchain, and our main target will be to move around the world and see those, identify those areas where we can provide the services to the governments. Then, if we talk about manufacturing, there is a supply chain involved. So any manufacturer who's dealing with the supply chain, they need a blockchain. They need to shift to the blockchain, and that is also our target market. Since the business is growing very fast, e-commerce business, as you know, the market size of e-commerce business is, since the COVID, it has grown like anything. So our target market is to bring these e-commerce players on our blockchain. Same is the case like if we talk about microfinance. There is a unique thing on rather a function of blockchain where you can create smart contracts, and using those smart contracts we can bring the microfinance, global microfinance market on the blockchain. So, in if we sum up, this is going to be a market of more than 1.3 trillion dollar by 2031. So it's a huge market for which the blockchain is being developed by the NIMS. So we just have a brief look at the roadmap, because blockchain is one part. We are at the moment on the pre-launch stage. What we have done, we have already done few things, and we have created our token. The token is already on the Binance blockchain. Soon we will be going to testnet of our blockchain. Then airdrops will start, and then we will move to the mainnet, and so on. But I would rather prefer to talk about the near future, what is coming, what is about to be launched. So if we talk about our coin number in first we talk about our coin. So the launch price, the pre-launch price, pre-launch sales started at 10 cents. Our current price is 0.125, and company has already announced yesterday that the price is going to double on 15th of June, means it will be 0.25. It means that the price for which you are buying the coins now you will be getting half of the number of coins if you buy it after 16th of June. So this is a very big opportunity for the investors. The launch price is going to be 30 cents or maybe more on 1st of July. Our coin is already deployed on the Binance blockchain. You can use the smart contract address and import the token on Binance Dex or MetaMask or Trust Wallet, anywhere you want. So you can simply import the token to these wallets. We have already started working. We have rather started few countries where now you can simply go to our website shop1global.com, and you can not only buy, rather you can also avail incredible discounts if you buy anything using the NIMS. And let me tell you, there is no restriction. You can use 100% of your coins to buy anything from these platforms. We have started quite a few countries and we are working on many more countries because our target is to be active in more than 30 major countries of the world by the end of this month, means by the end of June. Then we have a crypto card coming in. This is going to bridge a gap between the fiat and the crypto, because still there is a huge challenge in few countries where you cannot convert your crypto into fiat because of the regulations and restrictions in your country. But once you will have this card with you, visa card with you, you can easily convert not only NIMS but USDT and Ethereum and Bitcoin. So four of these coins will can be converted from through easily through your Visa card, or you can even withdraw cash through the ATMs where the Visa is acceptable. So this is going to bring a big revolution in the market, because there are few other players, but none of them will be able to compete our price, because we will be having a NIMS promo as well, where you can earn bonus points in form of NIMS when you use these cards. If we look at the market, you if we talk about crypto and we don't talk about Bitcoin, then it will be unfair, because if you look at the history, if we talk about 10 years from now or maybe 12 years from now, most of us were not were in a position, if I talk about it today, that 12 years back I myself was in position to invest 100 or $500. Even if I would have invested $100 in Bitcoin, it would have become $70 million now. So this was the opportunity. And if I talk about NIMS or any other crypto or upcoming venture today, people might not believe it, but the past is a proof that people have even made 70,000x. So this is what crypto is all about. It's still a growing market. All you need is to understand that the holding is the name of the game, because as long as you hold, the longer you hold, the better you get the response. So having said that, I already said that we will be launching on 1st of July. We have couple of options in hand now. We have MetaMask, we have Trust Wallet, we have Coin Store MOU signed. So we are just analyzing and we need to decide very quickly that on 1st of July where to start from, because in the beginning the coin always comes on one exchange. So it's easier for us to maintain the liquidity on and to maintain the demand and supply, so that the price of the coin doesn't dumps actually. But it means that we have already signed the contract MOU with CoinStore, and we are now good to go. For now, how to become the part of this program, this investment program, or this community, or this family? So we are not selling coins. We are actually selling robo miners. So what this robo miner is all about? When you invest, you buy a robo miner, you get certain number of coins, and it generate coins for you for next 5 years. So there are actually two options. Number one, you simply buy a robo miner and it will give you coin every day. Number two, you buy a robo miner and put that miner on the staking. So what will happen that once your robo miner is on staking, then company is going to give you 250% of the coins. Like if you invested X amount, it will be multiplied by 250%. So you'll be getting much more coins, or you can say that you'll be getting the coin or a much cheaper price. So what will happen, I'll try to explain you with one example. Let's say that you invested $5,000 and the coin price today is 0.125. So the capacity, if you divide 5,000 with 0.125, which is the price of the coin, then it comes to 40,000. Means in today's value, if you invest $5,000, you can get 40,000 coins only. But since you are getting robo miners, so you will be getting 50% extra coins. If you see on the left side of the screen, 12,000 coins are coming into your account every year, which means 12,000, 12,000. If I 12,000 each means it 12,000 into 5, it becomes 60,000. So 60,000, if I total this amount, it becomes $60,000, 60,000 coins. So if I start selling these coins, let's say if the price of the coin is even $1, or let's say if the price of the coin is even $0.5, and I have 12,000 coins in my wallet after 1 year. So if you multiply 12,000 with zero point 0.5, it means you already get a return of $6,000. So means if 6,000 is out, your investment was how much? It was 5,000. And if you this multiply this with zero point 0.5, it means you got 6,000. So all remaining years you earn 12,000 coins. It's all your profit. You need to try to understand that you will be do the break even in first year, and all other coins coming to you is your profit. On the other hand, if you put the stake on, the option of stake on is there, right? So you'll be getting 250% coins. So it means 20,000, 20,000 every year. So it becomes 100,000. So if we talk about 100K, and let's say we assume that the price is going to be $10, as the company said that NIMS will be $10 after 5 years, so it becomes $1 million. So you invested how much? You invested $5,000 and you're getting $1 million. Forget about it. Let's say the price of the coin is just $1. Even then you will get $100,000 against your investment of $5,000 only, which is again a huge gain. So what you need to try to understand is the power is of actually the power is of holding. When you hold for a longer period, you make more money, and that's the actually game. That's the name of the game. So that has happened in the past. People have made good money investing in Bitcoin, investing in BNB and Ethereum. They have, multiplied their wealth. They have built their wealth for the longer period. I know people who have 500, 300, even 1,000 or even more Bitcoin in their wallet, and they are just spending their lives like anything, like kings, and they just spend the profit coming on those Bitcoins. Anyway, so we'll move forward. If someone says to me that now the Bitcoin can do 100x, I would say the chances are zero. But for a project like NIMS, there is a much potential that you can hit 100x very easily at this stage when you are investing in the pre launch. So now we will talk about what you have for the network.